How to send a PDF file to email on Android. This tutorial shows you how to attach and send a PDF through Gmail in just a few steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Compose icon at the bottom right of the screen to start a new email. From there, tap on the To field and type in the email address of the person you want to send the PDF to. At this point, tap on the Subject field and type in a subject for your email. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on the message body and type in any message you want to include along with the PDF. From there, tap on the paperclip icon at the top of the Compose screen to attach a file. At this stage, tap on File to open your file browser. Following this, navigate to where your PDF is saved, whether that's in your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or anywhere else on your device. Once done, tap on the PDF file to select it and attach it to your email. From there, you'll see the PDF appear as an attachment in your Compose window. Make sure the file name and size look correct before sending. At this stage, if you need to attach more than one PDF, tap on the paperclip icon again and repeat the same steps for each additional file. Finally, once everything looks good, tap on the Send icon at the top right of the screen to send your email with the PDF attached. And that's it. If this guide helped you send a PDF to email, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.